Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are back from the stupid battery draining out. We apologize for that, but we're leaving off right where we left off.
Oh my!
There he goes! Oh, Pele! Pele! The Pele kick! 1, 2, 3, 4. I got the money, you don't. 5, 6. Oh my! Oh, he misses. He misses with the hangover, but still knocks him down.
Oh my!
Oh.
Money man! Oh!
Come on, money.
Oh!
Oh, he just took his head off. Come on, money. Come on, yeah. Right here. Hangover! But he didn't fall at the right time. Kind of a delayed hangover. Money man delayed the hangover. Probably not as effective. Come on, money man, don't delay. Don't delay. Come on. I'm the $100 champion. Oh, super kick. Oh, a shot kick to the back. Come on. What you gonna do, big boy? Oh, we have the biggest alliance ever. This match is really took off. I have money, you don't. You don't have no money, Zach. Oh! And a flying shoulder block by Zach. Come on. Get up. After him, I want you, Tyler.
Money man, he's been out of action for some time here in VTW. He's been serving as chairman.
Another flying shoulder block. Wait, when you get up. Come on, money man. Come on.
That's how it's done.
We're gonna go get some girls tonight.
One, two.
Zach, the Universal Champion. This has been a hard-fought match for so long. Oh my, he's staring down his opponent at VTW Mania, Tyler. Oh! It's gonna be you at Mania. That's been the second time Tyler has been spit in the face. He was spit in the face by ZACK, eh? He was spit in the face by Judas and ZACK. Oh, he hits him in the head with the wallet. The ref didn't see it though. You suck.
Ref
You
sees
suck.
nothing.
You suck. You suck. You suck.
1,
You suck.
2.
Oh! No! 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 Oh!
Oh!
No!
Whoa!
Ah!
Oh!
Get it! A good cent of money.
Oh! Come on, let's go in there. Bulldog!
Oh,
How about that, huh? How about that bulldog
Yeah.
there?
money touch. Oh, yeah.
Oh!
Oh!
He knocked you out of the way. Oh!
Oh! Low blow! Oh my, to the money nuts. To the money nuts.
To the quarters and dimes.
He just hit him in the corners. The
The
dimes
50
don't-
cent piece.
Oh! What you gonna do? I'm gonna come for you. Oh my! He's running back to the back. Howard just ran back in the back.
Not as tough as people think, now are you?
1, 2.
Oh, and the money man kicks out.
I think you waited too long. That's how I ran back in the back.
You're next.
Not the sound, dude.
Oh!
Hang on, what's he doing? Viva la raza!
Frog splash! Frog splash! 1, 2, 3!
Here's your winner.
The Universal Champion, ZACK Hutchinson. Oh my, but ZACK doesn't know what's going on. ZACK doesn't know what's going on. Oh. Zach's looking towards the camera, not knowing what's going on.
Where's my belt? Where's my theme music?
Wait, is that Tyler? Oh! Oh! Come on! Oh! Number 9. Number 9. This is not the way we wanted to end the show. Who's got the Universal title?
That's going to be him. He's going to be holding the championship at VTW Mania. That you will be defending your championship against Tyler at VTW Mania.